Unraveling, Conclude the Matter, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. Conclude the matter. This expression is quite handy in formal and informal settings alike. So, if you're eager to expand your English vocabulary and sound more like a native, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the meaning, usage, and nuances of this phrase together. The phrase, conclude the matter, essentially means to finish or resolve a particular issue, topic, or discussion. It suggests that a final decision has been made or a final action has been taken to settle something that was previously undecided or ongoing. This can relate to anything from a formal business decision to a casual debate among friends. Conclude. This verb is the heart of the phrase. To conclude means to bring something to an end or reach a final decision. The matter, here, the matter, refers to the subject, issue, or topic at hand. It's what is being concluded. When put together, the phrase signals the end of deliberations or discussions concerning a specific subject. Formal contexts. In business meetings or official discussions, saying, "We need to conclude the matter," indicates the need to reach a decision. Legal settings might use this phrase when agreeing to resolve a case or dispute. In formal contexts, among friends, it might mean deciding on a plan after a lengthy discussion. For example, let's conclude the matter. We're going to the beach this weekend. Tip: the tone can be adjusted depending on the context. More formal for professional settings and relaxed for personal situations. After hours of negotiation, the committee was finally able to conclude the matter. We've discussed this at length. It's time to conclude the matter and move forward. The judge demanded that the attorneys conclude the matter by the end of the day. These examples show how versatile and useful the phrase can be in expressing resolution and finality. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, conclude the matter. We hope this video has shed some light on how to understand and use this expression effectively in your English conversations. Whether you're in a boardroom or chatting with friends, knowing how to articulate the need to reach a conclusion can be incredibly valuable. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.